Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chem Talks by Pooja Malik. In today's video, we are going to discuss the syllabus of term 2 of class 11th chemistry, as well as I am going to tell you what are the particular topics which are deleted from your this year's syllabus 2021-22 session related to these term 2 chapters. So the chapters which are coming are states of matter, thermodynamics and equilibrium from the first part of the book, and S block elements, P block elements and hydrocarbons are the chapter coming from the second part of the book. So there are total 6 chapters which are coming. It may occur if the paper is organized by your particular school or your particular organization, then they might add some chapters from the term 1 syllabus. For example, in DAV board, there is going to be additional organic chemistry chapter and redox reaction chapter from the term 1 syllabus. The deleted topics of these chapters I have already told in the first part of this video, in which we covered the deleted portion of the term 1 syllabus. Now let's continue with the term 2 syllabus. This is the first chapter which is coming, states of matter. सो इस चैप्टर में आपका ये सारे टॉपिक्स इंट्रोडक्शन वाले आ रहे हैं. इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस जो हमारी 4 टाइप्स की हमें स्टडी करनी है. देन थर्मल एनर्जी, इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस वर्सेस थर्मल इंटरैक्शंस, द गैसियस स्टेट. बेसिकली इसमें हम गैसियस स्टेट के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. सॉलिड स्टेट आपका 12th में है और लिक्विड स्टेट इसी चैप्टर में लास्ट में थोड़ा सा मेंशन है. देन कम्स योर लॉ, जो हमारे अलग अलग लॉज गैसेस फॉलो करती है. बॉयल्स लॉ, Charles law, Gay-Lussac law, all these laws are very important from the exam point of view. Avogadro law, then ideal gas equation, the relation of density and molar mass, partial pressures, kinetic energy and molecular speed. In this we will convert all of the points of the gaseous, how they exist in the ideal form and the real form. Comparison of ideal gases and real gases and how we can justify it using different postulates. So this is the kinetic molecular theory of gases, which is very important. Then behavior of the topic I was telling you about, the behavior of real gases and the deviation from ideal gas behavior. These graphs are very important. All these topics are coming. The last topic, which is 5.10, that is liquefaction of gases. This is the only topic which is deleted from this chapter's syllabus. So this whole topic is deleted. This portion, this complete portion, the liquid state portion, it is deleted. So these are the last 3-4 pages which are not included in your syllabus. Moving on to the second chapter, which is thermodynamics. So if we talk about thermodynamics, all the topics are included in your syllabus. This topic, the system and surroundings, type of system, very important. The terms introduced, work, and then heat. Then applications of this first law of thermodynamics, which we are going to study. Understanding the concept of internal energy, very important. Then measurements, introduction of enthalpy, extensive and intensive capacities. This topic, heat capacity, is not mentioned individually in the syllabus prescribed, but it is still very important and this relation is particularly important because एक छोटा सा ही topic cut है, तो it's not required that you should leave such important topic. Then next, measurement of delta U and delta H using calorimetry is important. The next topic is Hess law, enthalpy of bond dissociation, enthalpy of reactions, enthalpy change during transformations, standard enthalpy of formation, thermochemical equations. All these topics are going to come. Hess law of constant heat summation, then enthalpy of different type of reactions, all these are coming. Lattice enthalpy, enthalpy of solution, dilution. Then spontaneity, it is also coming in the syllabus. From spontaneity and relation of entropy, we derive the second law of thermodynamics. And after that, we study also the relation of entropy and relate it to the third law of thermodynamics, which is giving only a brief introduction. The last equation is using Gibbs energy change and equilibrium relation. So all the topics are coming from this chapter. Moving on to the next one, which is equilibrium. Similarly, equilibrium is also coming completely in your syllabus. Equilibrium in physical changes, chemical changes, different types of equilibrium. Then your next topic, equilibrium involving dissolution, equilibrium in chemical processes, law of chemical equilibrium and equilibrium constant, then homogeneous equilibrium, heterogeneous equilibrium. All these topics are going to come in your exam. You should not leave any of these topics. Then next topic is application of equilibrium constant, prediction of extent of a reaction, predicting direction of reaction. All these are going to come in your exam, so you don't need to leave any of the topics. Factors affecting equilibrium, very important. In this we cover Lee-Chatelier principle, ionic equilibrium उसके बाद हमारा start हो जाएगा next. From here 7.9 it is also going to come in your exams. Then different concepts of acids and bases, ionization of acids and bases, the concept of pH, ionization constants. All these are important. So all of these topics are going to come in your exam. This topic, buffer solution, is also mentioned, although it is a very lengthy chapter, as you can see. Solubility, equilibrium, this is also going to come in your exam. And common ion effect, it is also going to come in your exam. So basically equilibrium and thermodynamics are such chapters which are coming almost completely in your exam. Now moving on to the second part of the book of chemistry. From that we are going to have 3 chapters: S block elements, P block elements and the last one hydrocarbons. अगर इसमें हम डिस्कस करें तो सबसे पहले S block elements की बात करते हैं. Let's start with S block elements. So ये चैप्टर आपका completely आ रहा है. इसमें 2 टॉपिक्स हैं जो कट हैं, वो मार्क कर लेंगे. 10.1 पूरा कंप्लीट आएगा. Physical properties, chemical properties, uses, then general characteristics of the compound of alkali metals. This topic 10.3 is also coming, anomalous properties of lithium, but this topic 10.4, which is some important compounds of sodium. These important compounds you can leave, so these are not coming in the exam. Next 10.5 it will come. 10.6 you have to study this. 10.7 study करना है, 10.8 भी study करना है. Now again this topic 10.9, some important compounds of calcium. This topic you can leave from the exam point of view. This completes the chapter. Moving on to the P block elements. If we talk about P block element, the similar pattern will be followed here. You have to study this topic: group 13 elements, boron family introduction, general trends, their physical properties, chemical properties. These reaction all you have to do. But if we talk about this topic 11.2, important trends and anomalous properties of boron, this is also going to come in your exam. 11.3, some important compounds of boron. Like in the S block elements, we left the compounds of sodium and calcium. Here we are going to leave the important compounds of boron from this year's syllabus. So these borax, orthoboric acid, diborane, this you can leave from the exam point of view. Then uses of boron is coming. Introduction of group 14 element, their general characteristics, chemical properties, all are coming. Anomalous behavior of carbon. Then allotropes of carbon is also an important topic which is going to coming in your exam. Next, this topic 11.8, some important compounds of carbon and silicon. This topic you can leave from group 14. कार्बन और सिलिकन दोनों के ही आपको important compound दिए गए हैं, so ये आप यहाँ end तक आते रहते इसको पूरा leave कर सकते हो. With this, P block elements is also done. The last chapter of this term syllabus, which is hydrocarbons, which is very much related to the chapter before this, organic chemistry. So you must have a great knowledge of the organic chemistry chapter to deal with this one. So hydrocarbons, it is coming completely. This chapter is very important and ये पूरा आपका आ रहा है, इसकी वेटेज भी काफी होगी एग्जाम में. एल्केन्स हमारा इसमें फर्स्ट मेजर टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में हमें सब कुछ डिटेल में स्टडी करना है. उसकी प्रिपरेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज है ना, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज विच मीन्स रिएक्शंस, कन्फर्मेशंस, न्यू एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. Then alkenes is the second major topic here. Its structure, nomenclature, isomerism, preparation, properties, chemical reactions, all are coming in your exam. Then alkynes is the third major topic. Similarly, its structure, isomerism, preparation, physical and chemical properties, all the reactions. Then last topic, aromatic hydrocarbon. This one is also going to come in your exam, including its nomenclature, structure of benzene, its stability. Aromaticity is a very important topic. Then preparation of benzene, chemical properties, and this is also very important. The last topic, this one, mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction and its directive influence. It will also help you to grasp a good hold on the chapter 12 organic chemistry also. ठीक है जी, इसी के साथ आपके ये सारे चैप्टर्स का सिलेबस कंप्लीट होता है. अगर किसी भी टॉपिक में कोई डाउट हो, whether it is going to be included in your syllabus or not, if there is a particular topic, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll reply to that. Thank you.